Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today let me introduce you this EMS Abdominal Trainer. This is the Agnal Abdominal Muscle Trainer. And this is an electric trainer, an EMS training device with 10 modes and 30 intensity levels. The EMS muscle stimulation device can recharge by USB source. It's a rechargeable portable device with calorie and consumption display. This abdominal muscle trainer is an electric toner that uses the EMS technology. This is a health and fitness device technology directly on the muscle signal. Promotes the muscle movement. This lets us enjoy scientificity and healthy fitness. Because this EMS, electromuscular stimulation training, is a fitness method that uses electrical impulses to stimulate muscles, enhancing the workouts and potentially improving the results. It involves wearing a special suit with an electrodes that delivers these impulses, allowing the simultaneously activation of the multiple muscle groups. In this case here, it comes for our abdominal muscle groups. The EMS training device has an LCD display. The fitness status and the mode are clear at a glance to read. There are 10 modes and 30 intensity levels to choose from. The EMS abdominal muscle training device with an electric device uses the Type-C charging port for up to 8 hours of continuous operation with a charging time of 1 up to 2 hours. And silicone pads instead of the gel. The EMS devices, you do not have to replace the gel pads. It solves our worries about replacing hydrogel. The silicone pads of the EMS abdominal trainer completely covers the central abdominal muscles and the lateral waist fat. Yeah, we will really feel how the muscle contract, ideal to strengthen the central and lateral abdominal muscles. Easy peasy, baby. We install the EMS device into the controller. We spray water on the silicone pads. We attach the EMS trainer to our waist. We press and hold the M button for 2 seconds to turn on the device and set a convenient mode and intensity level. And then it can go ultra light, ultra thin, comfortable to wear. This tight-fitting pad can be worn unobtrusively under clothing. Electrostimulation for abdominal muscle is very light and breathable, so we can use it when we read, when we watch movies, while we go shopping, outside and inside. And where you like it to wear, it's no problem, because it is portable, it is easy to use, and it makes a good job for our fitness. The EMS abdominal muscle trainer, a new type of muscle training that allows us to build perfect muscles. Yeah, EMS technology, USB charging, 10 modes, 30 intensity levels. Portable. And we have an intelligent shutdown function. That means level 1 is the smoothest. Oh yeah, that's chilly. But if you go up, this is not so comfortable, of course, but it makes a good job with your muscle. We have here the nice product for us, a massage belt, the model AS1, working voltage is 3.3 volt DC, temperature 10 up to 40 degrees Celsius, charging voltage 5 volt USB, output current is 1 milliampere, frequency 1 up to 100 Hz. And we have all what we need. We get the belt, we get the controller, we get the charging cable, and our body is there. Mode 1, vibration. Mode 2, massage. Mode 3, shaping. Mode 4, weight loss. Mode 5, grease burning. Mode 6, kneading. Mode 7, massage again. Mode 8, acupuncture and moxibustion. Mode 9, comprehensive. And mode 10, massage and kneading at the same time. And it makes a good job to grow up a big muscle. Wow. But body shape, baby. Easy to use, easy to gain muscle with that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.